Hello, today we are going to create group discussion topics in D2L. So first thing we're going to do is go to Communication, Discussions, New Forum, and we're going to go ahead and type our title. So we will just call this Forum 1. And we're going to go ahead and save and close. And there we have Forum 1 right there. So now we're going to go ahead and go to New Topic. And we're going to choose our forum. And right here we have Forum 1. And I'm going to title this the names of groups that we want. So we'll do group 1, and this time we'll do save and new. There we go, and it's already selected Forum 1 for us, so now we'll just do group 2, and now we can save and close. There we are, Forum 1, and in Forum 1 we have Group 1 and 2.